Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best digital protractors for accurate angle measurement. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. UNI-T LM320A LM320B Digital Protractor. Description: this advanced digital inclinometer offers 4x90 degrees measurement with a magnetic base and laser leveling capabilities. Its robust design and high precision make it ideal for construction, carpentry, and industrial tasks. The advantages of this digital protractor are high precision and accuracy, magnetic base for stability on metal surfaces, built-in laser for enhanced leveling. The disadvantages of this digital protractor are slightly bulky for small-scale tasks. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Digital Protractor Laser USB Inclinometer. Description: a 360 degrees level angle finder with USB charging. This protractor offers high precision measurements and a magnetic base for stability. Its compact and versatile design suits various professional and DIY applications. The advantages of this digital protractor are 360 degrees measurement capability, rechargeable via USB for convenience, lightweight and portable. The disadvantages of this digital protractor are limited battery life on full charge. At number 3. RZ Digital Level Angle Gauge. Description: this mini digital inclinometer features a magnetic base and 360 degrees measurement range. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for small projects requiring precise angle adjustments. The advantages of this digital protractor are compact and travel-friendly design. Magnetic base ensures secure attachment. Affordable without compromising quality. The disadvantages of this digital protractor are limited to smaller applications. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Portable New Angle Protractor. Description: this versatile protractor with a 4x90 degrees angle measurement range is perfect for home use. It features laser alignment and Type-C charging for convenience, ensuring easy handling and accurate results. The advantages of this digital protractor are portable and lightweight, laser alignment for precise measurements, convenient Type-C charging. The disadvantages of this digital protractor are not suited for heavy-duty tasks. At number 1. SHAHE Digital Angle Protractor. Description: the SHAHE Digital Protractor boasts dual-axis measurement and wireless functionality. With a rechargeable design and high precision, it is the ultimate tool for professionals seeking efficiency and reliability. The advantages of this digital protractor are dual-axis measurement for versatility, wireless functionality for seamless operation, durable and high-quality build. The disadvantages of this digital protractor are higher price point compared to others.